Did you know you can use your Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses to make video calls? This is going to be very helpful for us in the blind community whenever we need assistance from our sighted supporters. That's what we're going to talk about today, so stick around. I'll show you how it works and how to set it up. Hey guys, it's Sam with The Blind Life. Welcome back to the channel where I help you learn how to live your best blind life. We've recently been talking about updates to the Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses, and some of those updates include ways to get in touch with a sighted supporter out there to get assistance. There's a couple of ways to do this. They're all using third-party applications, but they are easy to set up, and the best part, they're all free. Before we get started, if you want to learn more about the Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses and how helpful they can be for us, definitely check out my full review video. I'll have a link for that in the video description down below. So let's back up a bit here and explain what we're talking about. As long as humans have been able to use a smartphone to make a video call, the blind community has been using this to get help from their sighted supporters. So much so that businesses have sprung up around this idea. If you think of the very popular service, Ira connects you to an agent who has all of your information and can help with whatever you need. It's very popular. People use it all over the world, but it is a paid service. Now, there are free options. Be My Eyes is probably the most popular. It connects your phone to a volunteer out there in the world. The volunteer sees through your camera and can help you with whatever you need. Now, this is great, but one thing to note is it is just a random person out there that doesn't know anything about you, has probably never been trained on how to help a blind person. So you kind of never know what you're going to get when you make that call. So the other alternative is doing a video call to someone you know, a loved one, a family member, a friend. Now, enter in the Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses. The smart glasses potentially solve the biggest problem with all of this, and that is holding a phone. If I am video calling someone to find out if these socks match, I've got to try and hold the phone and try to get both socks in the shot at the same time. And if I'm low vision or if I'm totally blind, this is extremely difficult. You often end up with the person on the other end saying, all right, wait, go a little bit to your left. No, your other left. I mean, your right. Yeah, go to your right. Okay, now tilt it down. It can be a little bit of a mess. But using the Ray-Ban smart glasses, you are hands-free. Anywhere you point your face, that is what the person is going to see. So to get all of this set up, you're going to need a couple of things. Number one, obviously, you're going to need a pair of Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses. Currently, there's 3 different apps that we can use to do video calling with the smart glasses. Be My Eyes, Facebook Messenger, and WhatsApp. First, let's talk about Be My Eyes. I'll show you how to set it up and how to use it. The first step in all of this is to allow MetaView to use the app that you're going to be using. And you set this all up through these settings. So go into the MetaView settings. And for Be My Eyes, we need to go to accessibility because that's what it is.
Meta A, audio, camera, connected app, accessibility.
There
button.
it is.
Be My Eyes, button.
Currently, Be My Eyes is the only option in here. As they partner up with more accessibility apps, we might see more options in here in the future. But I want to click on Be My Eyes.
Connect MetaView to Be My Eyes. Call a volunteer. We value your private. Change your learn more about Connect Be My Eyes, button. Starting Be My Eyes, in progress.
And it's just going through and connecting the 2 apps.
A few moments later.
All right, and there you go. I've set it up. Be My Eyes can now be used with my Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses. All right, let's call Be My Eyes. Super easy. We just tell the Ray-Ban smart glasses to call Be My Eyes. Hey, Meta, call Be My Eyes.
D-clock, 0 seconds. 3:13 p.m. Status bar item.
Yeah, hi there. Thank you. Would you mind telling me what cereal this is? Okay, so original. Perfect. All right, thanks you. That's all I needed. Thank you. You too. You guys couldn't hear because the audio was going through the glasses, but the volunteer answered, and I asked him to identify the box of cereal that I was holding in my hands. He said it was a blue box of Kellogg's Crispix original flavor. And because he was seeing through my glasses, all I had to do was hold the box out at arm's length and point my head down. And it's just that easy. Next, let's check out WhatsApp video calling. To set it up, first you have to have WhatsApp installed on your phone, the same phone that's running the MetaView app. Once you have WhatsApp set up, you have an account, you have all of that set up, then you need to go into the communications section of the settings on the MetaView app.
Meta AI, audio, camera, communication, button, calling, messaging and sharing, heading.
Here is where you set up all the different ways to either make phone calls or send text messages.
Your phone. Connect WhatsApp. Connected.
The second option down is WhatsApp. You just want to click onto this and then go through the steps to set up the WhatsApp app to work with the MetaView app. It's basically just going in and giving permissions for the two apps to talk to each other. All right, I just made a video call from one phone to the other through WhatsApp. And you can see that we are currently using the camera on the phone for this video call. But because we have the Ray-Bans connected, we have an option now to use the Ray-Ban glasses as our camera. But an easy way to switch to using your Ray-Ban camera is to double-click the button on the right temple. The glasses camera is active. So now my other phone can see what I see through my glasses. So I can have a hands-free video call now using the Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses. I think you can imagine how helpful this will be. And if I want to switch back, double tap that button on the right temple again. And now we are back to the front-facing camera on my phone. The final app that we can use is Facebook Messenger. Now, I'm not going to go through the process because it's essentially the same as WhatsApp. So being able to use the smart glasses to make video calls, especially using WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger where you're calling someone you know, a friend of yours, a family member, a loved one, those people are going to be able to help you much, much better and much, much more than just some volunteer out there. Don't get me wrong, we love our volunteers, but a family member is just going to be a better option. Regardless, whichever one you use, being able to do this hands-free using the new Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses, I think is fantastic, and it just continues to make these an excellent choice for our community. Don't forget, if you want to learn more, check out my full review video. I'll have a link in the video description down below. But that is it for this one, guys. Thank you, as always, for watching. If you liked the video, please like and share. It helps out the channel. And, of course, make sure you're subscribed to The Blind Life. Turn on notifications because I post content like this every single Saturday. That is it. Thanks again, guys. Sam with The Blind Life. I'll see you next time.